Severe thunderstorms are forecast to return to parts of New South Wales and Queensland as we head into the final weekend of 2023. So let's take a day-by-day look at what we're expecting. And this map here shows the convective available potential energy, or CAPE. And this is a measure of the energy or fuel in the atmosphere that's used as one ingredient in thunderstorm formation. And where we see these yellow, orange and red shades is where we see the most energy and the highest likelihood of severe thunderstorms. And for the rest of Friday, that's through the Hunter, Sydney and Illawarra districts, where we could see damaging winds, heavy rainfall and large hail. Into Saturday, this CAPE signal shifts further north, and the risk of severe thunderstorms extends from Port Macquarie in the south up towards Rockhampton and inland to places like Emerald and down to Roma. The focus on Saturday will be through southeast Queensland and northeast New South Wales, including Brisbane and the Gold Coast. And in this area, we could see isolated, very dangerous thunderstorms bringing flash flooding, destructive winds and giant hail. So if you or someone you know will be in this region on Saturday, share this update and make sure to check the radar, forecast and warnings through the day. On Sunday, the risk of severe thunderstorms does ease to New South Wales but continues in Queensland. But even heading into the first few days of the new year, we see the risk of severe thunderstorms continue across much of eastern Australia, even extending down into New South Wales and also Victoria by the middle of the week. So what's driving all this? Having a look at the synoptics, we can see a broad area of low pressure to inland Australia, and that's combining with tropical moisture pouring down from the north, producing these areas of heavy rainfall as we can see on Saturday afternoon. But even into early next week, once that trough moves off the coast, we do see another area of low pressure developing over eastern Australia, and that will continue to drag moisture all the way down into the southeast of the country. In terms of the total rainfall, we are expecting to see the highest falls through northeast New South Wales and then through southeast Queensland. But with all thunderstorms, the highest falls will depend on where these thunderstorms do form. And directly under a storm, we can see much higher than these amounts. So with the unsettled number of days coming to finish off the year, it's important to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings, and of course, follow all the advice from local emergency services.